It's 2 a.m. The house is silent. No traffic. No voices. Just the faint ticking of a clock or that low hum from the refrigerator. You're exhausted. Your body feels heavy. Your eyes burn. You want to sleep. But your mind, wide awake. Running laps. Replaying old conversations, worrying about tomorrow. Jumping from one thought to another like it refuses to shut off. Sound familiar? If it does, listen closely because this matters. You're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. This gets more common as we get older, and a lot of people believe a simple story: I guess I just don't need as much sleep anymore. That's not true. Your body still needs rest. Deep, real, restoring sleep. What's changed is your sleep system. Think of it like a switch that's gotten a little rusty. The chemicals that help you relax like melatonin aren't as strong, and the ones that keep you alert like cortisol stick around longer than they should. So your body feels tired, but your brain stays on. Here's the good news: you can retrain that switch. No heavy sleeping pills. No expensive gadgets. Just simple, science-backed ways to tell your body it's safe to sleep now. So let's start simple. Technique 1, the 4-7-8 breath. This is your fastest tool, and it works in under a minute. When you can't sleep, your body is usually stuck in fight or flight. Your heart's a little fast. Your mind is alert. You can't force sleep, but you can change your state through your breath. Here's how. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 7. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. That long exhale. That's the key. It tells your nervous system we're safe. Do this for times. By the last round, your body starts to slow down. Technique 2, the body melt. Ever lie in bed and just can't get comfortable? That's hidden tension. Your muscles are still on, even if you don't realize it. So here's what you do. Tighten, then release. Start with your feet. Curl your toes tight. Hold and let go. Then your legs, your hands, your shoulders, your face. Squeeze, hold. Release. By the time you reach your face, your body feels heavy, warm, almost like it's sinking into the mattress. That's exactly where you want to be. Technique 3, the brain scramble. Now let's deal with the real problem, your thoughts. You can't just tell your brain to stop. That never works. So instead, you distract it. Pick a simple word. Let's say bed. Now think of random things for each letter. B, ball, bear, banana. E, elephant, egg, envelope. D, dog, drum, door. Picture each one for a second. It sounds silly, but that's the point. You're scrambling your thoughts, and your brain starts to shift into that same random pattern it uses right before sleep.